You can see on the back of it that it has this really nice vibration and these like balls that kind of roll around and rotate. And it's got these as well that kind of have a frequency, sound frequency. So you can, and it vibrates, the whole thing vibrates. So you can use it underneath your clothes or just right over your clothes. Either way works. The biggest benefit that I found was actually for my digestion. So I really want to thank Oways for my partnership. I'm actually very, very excited about this belt because the other night I couldn't sleep. My lower abdominal was just in massive pain that I couldn't sleep. I was in so much pain. So I remembered I had this upstairs. I thought, I wonder if that'll work. So I brought it down and I put it on, I hooked it up, and I fell immediately back to sleep. It was so soothing for my gut. And I was able to, and I woke up the next morning with nothing. And so it works through frequency, sound frequency, as well as vibration. You can feel the weight to it. It's got some weight. You're going to have to be plugged in. This is plugged into the wall. It's not wireless. So you're going to have to stay put wherever you're at. It lasts about 20-30 minutes, and it's amazing. So I just turn the top on here, and it's got a few different settings here, but the bottom one is automated. So I just click the bottom one. Oh my God, it feels so good. And the cool thing is you can use this anywhere. So I have a lot of lower back issues. I've been using this on my lower back as well. You can flip it on your back, your shoulders. You can use it anywhere. I've been using it every day because it just feels so good. And to understand that my digestion is going to be better. We don't get massages in that area in the lower abs. It's a really, really good place that our gut really could use some tender loving care. So thank you again. I love this thing. It's amazing.